Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have another unboxing for you. It is from Sacred Vibes and it is the Sabbath boxes. Again, I'm at work filming because same day. Been busy, so I'm backed up on a couple boxes and I wanted to share with you. So I figured why not do it here. I have a few minutes, why not? Ooh. Mabon, Persephone, and Demeter. That is really pretty. Okay, let me see if I can get this in there for you. There we go, because I want you to see this, not me. All right. Wow. I love this. It's just... just look how beautiful that is. Really done nice, beautiful. If you want, you can like freeze the video and you can read that. It's really beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right, and it's obviously this beautiful card. Ooh, let me put this back here. Mabon blessings. And we have an intuitively picked card just for me from Gypsy. Ooh, abundance. I love it. And she said it's from the deck, Earthbound Oracle deck. And we got pretty paper. Wow. We got our beautiful Mabon Book of Shadows. I'll go over this at towards the end because it has all kinds of good things in here. And this is what it looks like. So exciting. Okay. So exciting. All right, I'm going to put this over here so I can find it when I'm ready to do that. All right, I don't know where to go first. Well, right here, we got some... Wow. I picked a big thing. Talisman Consecration Ritual. Oh, wow, it's all in here. Look, we got incense. All right, let's not do that. Let's just open it up, right? All right, so in our ritual here, we have, ooh, beautiful incense holder. We have like 10 incense sticks. They smell good. What else is in here? Let me get this velvet bag. Wow, those incense smell real good. Ooh, what's this? Wow, this looks like a pomegranate. I don't know. We'll find out. But I think it might be a pomegranate. And pewter, maybe? Oops. Yeah, that's the bag. And then we got an oil roll-on and two tea lights. And, oh, this is probably the ritual. Ah, pomegranate talisman consecration. Very nice. So this is all for, that is really, really nice. I'm excited. And I'm wondering if the incense is pomegranate because it smells so, so good. And this beautiful talisman. It's got to be handmade. It's really awesome. I think pomegranate is also good for Hecate, if I'm correct. Wow, that first thing was awesome and came with like 10 items in it. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay. What's in here? Oh, very nice. beautiful pin. Oops, let me put it back in here. I don't want to, because I gotta travel this back home. Okay, we have another guy. This is exciting. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, nice altar tile. Real nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab this because it's right here. Herbal tea, nice big jar. And the ingredients. Like I said, big jar. That smells good. Cinnamon, apples, rose hips, cloves, lemon peel, orange peel, and calendula. Wow. Really, really smells awesome. Okay. All right, let me grab this package. Ooh, what can this be? A cute little black box. Looks like it's got a crystals in there. Look. Yeah. And in here, I think we got some crystals. We got a tiger eye mushroom. We have a quartz. And we have, not sure, maybe a jasper. We'll find out. Another guy. It keeps giving and giving. Mabon Sabbath charm, acorn. And beautiful color bracelet. I don't really know what this is. Very pretty. I don't know if the lighting's really good in here. I don't know. Bracelet and our acorn charm. Oh, I don't know what came in this bag. Okay. Then we have this big Spirit of Mabon simmering pots. Oh, I love simmering pots. We got this big bag of cinnamon pot stuff. Loaded with goodies. Big bag, too. Wow. All right, let me grab this. Mabon altar adornments. And it's nice, big altar adornments. Oh. Look at that. Really cool. I love the fall season. We have a little box here. This is for resins. So let's see. Yep, we got some resins in there. I don't know which one it is, but we got some resins. It could be amber. And oh, we have another item. Oh, I love it. Wow. I love handmade items. Look at this. Like, I gotta get this in there. It says gratitude. Look at all that right there. Flowers, crystal, pentacle. And it's got a clip so you write what you're grateful for up there. You can hang it anywhere. Really cute. That is really awesome. And an extra card to go with it. Wow. And my gosh, there's another bag. Oh, we got a little witch's broom with a pentacle. Cleaning that altar. And, oh my gosh, and there's another thing. I think this might be the last, guys. Finally got to the bottom. This box. Self-guided journal. And it is cute. Maybe a month. Yeah, it looks like it might be a monthly journal, which is cool. Perfect. So that is our Sabbath box. Wow, very nice. And she includes family activities, which I like, so I wanted to show you that. Besides the pretty art. All the items in the box curated for you. Box corresponds or may help you, assist you on the following forms of magic: Mabon rituals, gratitude, magic, and finding balance. Apple cinnamon besom. Ooh, that's why it smells nice. Is also known as a besom, as long as it's been stepped deep in lore and symbolism, and has been placed an important role with the craft throughout generations. Once as a simple domestic utensil used by people to physically clean their homes, over time ended up becoming an important spiritual tool, protective talisman, and a sacred object within the home and within the craft. Mabon herbal tea, which I already told you the blend. The simmering pot. It brings peace and gratitude. The bracelet is brocaded, maybe? Jasper. Brecciated. You know, guys, how I make up words. The acorn Sabbath charm. The Mabon stag pin. The tiger eye is good for mushroom, is good. The second harvest, Mabon in autumn. And that is brocaded jasper tumblestones for balance, clear quartz to amplify. The altar adornments you can place on your altar. Promotes grounding, comfort, nurturing death, light, gatherings, family, and friendships. The pomegranate talisman consecration spell, which comes with everything. And the pomegranate is stainless steel with red garnet stones. Really cool. I like that. Then you got, myrrh and rosewood is the resin in the box. The soapstone altar tile. The gratitude wall hanging. The daily journal. Very, very nice put together. I like it a lot. Let me know, guys, what you think. And also, she gives you all the information on Mabon, the information on Persephone and Demeter, which is really nice. A really nice story. Then the correspondences, which is really pretty. 2 sides. And then I like that she includes the youth workbook. So it's great for families and stuff. So you got some fun activities to do with the family or grandchildren's, whatnot. So that is Mabon by Sacred Vibez. I will leave the information, guys, down below. Thank you for watching.